At minus 71 degrees, the cold does not warn you. It kills quietly. This is Yakutia, the coldest inhabited place on Earth. At this temperature, metal shatters. Skin freezes in seconds. Tonight, he hunts a monster. A 900-kilogram beast built to survive this hell. Only one will survive the blizzard. For generations, Yakut hunters have faced winter alone.
Hunting is not sport here. It is survival.
A single mistake means death before sunrise.
The moose feeds families or kills the careless. At minus 71, even bullets behave differently. Tonight, he walks deeper than ever before. The storm thickens. Visibility vanishes. Tracks are fresh. The beast is close. The hunter slows his breathing.
Sound carries far in the cold.
A shadow moves. The moose senses danger. One charge, and it's over. The cold steals strength. He waits and waits. Then the storm breaks. 900 kilograms of muscle and fury. One shot. No second chances. The rifle cracks the silence. The beast stumbles. Survival demands respect. The storm closes in again.
Food for months. Life preserved.
No celebration. Only gratitude.
The cold never sleeps.
Tomorrow, Yakutia will test him again. This is life at minus 71.